Okay, so level 6 isn't actually too difficult. So just extend your composition to have a clear structure, e.g. ternary form ABA. So just really quickly, this is my section A, block chords. Here's my section B, arpeggio. I'm going to move that back, click and drag that to move it back. So that's my section B. And then to make it ABA, I need to have my section A after my section B. So I'm going to copy this. So Control C or right click and copy. And then I've moved the playhead to bar 9. And then I'm going to right click and paste or Control V to paste. And now this is ternary form. I'm just going to speed it up just to play through it a bit quicker. Oh, what just happened? Okay, that's supposed to be here. Okay, section A. And then section B is different because of the arpeggios. And then section A again. That is level 6.